What's up, future financial trader? Congratulations on enrolling in one of Hedge Trade University's powerful educational sessions. Today is not just another ordinary day. Today marks the beginning of a new level of preparation, awareness, growth, discipline, and financial education. You are entering a world where knowledge matters, where preparation matters, where structure matters, and where disciplined individuals position themselves to think differently from the crowd. Welcome to Hedge Trade University. Welcome to the future of financial education. Welcome to the world of Super Financial Trader Inc. The financial markets continue to evolve faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence, algorithmic systems, big data, high-speed execution, global financial connectivity. The world of trading has transformed, and those who prepare professionally often place themselves in stronger positions to understand market behavior. At Super Financial Trader Inc., advanced technologies process over 9.9 billion data points across more than 900,000 stocks worldwide. Massive streams of market intelligence, technical analysis, momentum analysis, risk management systems, sentiment analysis, market structure analysis, quantitative modeling, artificial intelligence technologies, all working together to support better preparation and stronger market awareness. This is not random guessing. This is preparation powered by education and technology. In every generation, there are individuals who refuse to think small. Individuals who refuse to settle for average thinking, average discipline, and average results. Dr. Jemelson Pierre-Louis is one of those individuals. For more than 26 years, Dr. Pierre-Louis has dedicated his life to studying the financial markets, developing advanced technologies, building educational systems, and helping thousands of individuals strengthen their understanding of trading. His journey into the financial markets began in 1996 at Gaines Berlin Financial during a period when electronic trading technologies were rapidly evolving. While many people saw the stock market only as speculation, Dr. Pierre-Louis saw something much deeper. He saw psychology, discipline, probability, structure, mathematics, momentum, preparation. He understood early that successful market participation required more than excitement. It required education. It required discipline. It required preparation. While others chased shortcuts, Dr. Pierre-Louis pursued mastery. Over the years, he immersed himself in studying market behavior and technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading psychology, algorithmic systems, quantitative analysis, artificial intelligence, risk management, market structure, professional trading discipline. His commitment to education and innovation distinguished him from many others in the industry. By the year 2000, he became Chief Information Officer at Recon Trader, Incorporated, while simultaneously serving as CEO of Hedge Consultants, LLC. These leadership roles allowed him to combine two powerful worlds, advanced technology and financial education. This became the foundation behind Hedge Trade University. Today, professional traders around the world continue searching for greater structure, stronger preparation, and more disciplined systems. Because the market rewards preparation more than emotion, the market rewards discipline more than impulsiveness, and the market rewards awareness more than hype. Too many individuals enter the markets emotionally. Too many follow random online hype. Too many trade without preparation. Too many ignore risk management. But successful traders understand something powerful. Preparation changes behavior. Structure strengthens confidence. Discipline improves awareness, and education creates stronger long-term habits. That is why Hedge Trade University was created, to provide structured educational systems and professional market preparation. Inside Hedge Trade University, students gain exposure to momentum analysis, technical analysis, multi-time frame analysis, and professional routines. Dr. Pierre-Louis also believes success begins internally, because before individuals transform financially, they often must transform mentally. That philosophy inspired powerful educational works including Unleashing Your Inner Greatness, Powerful Strategies for Success and Dealing with Envious People, and Yerpsa, From Extreme Poverty to Success, Driven to Overcome Poverty and Succeed. These works emphasize perseverance, growth, and discipline, because greatness often begins with the decision to think differently. Dr. Jemelson Pierre-Louis earned a PhD in Information Technology Management. He also holds multiple FINRA licenses demonstrating extensive knowledge in securities, investment advisory services, and financial operations. His expertise bridges the worlds of financial systems, artificial intelligence, and professional education. This rare combination has inspired educational systems. The goal is not dependency, the goal is education, the goal is awareness, the goal is preparation. At Hedge Trade University, students are encouraged to grow progressively. The Mastering Penny Stock Trading Elite Bootcamp represents more than a course. It represents a professional learning environment and a commitment to continuous learning. Because education creates awareness. Awareness strengthens confidence. Confidence supports discipline. And discipline supports long-term growth. The future belongs to individuals willing to prepare for it. And preparation begins with education. Your journey can begin today. For those willing to commit to learning, to preparation, to discipline, and to continuous growth. The possibilities are extraordinary. Welcome to Super Financial Trader Inc.